What is happening in West Bengal? Every alternative days, the headlines contain the statement made by the High Court and the Supreme Court with the regards to West Bengal violence. But we don't really understand the meaning, depth, and effect of the statement. Hello, everybody. I am Ashwini Anvekar, and you are watching Exemplified. Exemplified attempts to simplify things. Here is a Geetanjali Kamanth which will make the things clear for us. Hello Geetanjali. How are you?
Hello, Ashwini. Good. Thank
And
you.
yeah, Geetanjali, which are the cases in West Bengal that are making the headlines, Geetanjali?
Presently, Ashwini, there are prominently four cases.
Okay.
One is the Narda scam case.
Mm-hmm.
We'll not talk about it because it will take quite some time. The
Correct.
remaining three cases, they are related to post-poll violence.
Correct.
Okay. That during the post-poll violence, many public interest litigations were filed in Kolkata High Court.
Correct.
So those litigations are in High Court. That is one thing we could talk about.
Mm-hmm.
Then in Supreme Court, there is one petition filed by Biswajit Sarkar and Swarnlata Adhikari. That is another case we could talk of. And the third one, Mamta Banerjee has challenged the election results.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the third case. So
Mm-hmm.
these three cases are making the headlines.
Okay. What is the violence in West Bengal all about, Geetanjali?
Okay. May 2nd,
Mm-hmm.
results of the elections were announced,
Mm-hmm.
and we know TMC has won. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Now,
Mm-hmm.
there are allegations made.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, only allegations. These are all allegations.
Mm-hmm.
As long as they are in the court,
Mm-hmm.
once they are proved, they'll become facts. Until they are proved, we'll call them allegations. So these
Correct.
are allegations.
Mm-hmm.
It is alleged that the next 3 to 4 days there was bloodshed in the state.
Mm-hmm.
Many people were murdered. There
Mm-hmm.
were people going on the motorbikes, physically assaulting everybody.
Mm-hmm.
Even children and women were not spared, they say.
Okay.
And they went to the extent that they
Mm.
even destroyed the crops and forced people to flee. Okay,
Okay.
these people who ran away, they
Mm-hmm.
are called internally displaced persons.
Hmm.
And then PILs were filed
Mm-hmm.
for their rehabilitation, for compensation,
Mm-hmm.
and many PILs were filed regarding the violence what is happening in the state.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what Kolkata High Court did, it constituted a five-judge bench to
Mm-hmm.
address all these issues related to post-poll violence.
Okay. Uh,
Okay,
okay.
then uh, yes, then the court, as of now, has made certain observations
Mm-hmm.
and it has taken certain actions.
Mm-hmm.
What observations the court made was, see,
Mm-hmm.
firstly, it said to the state,
Mm-hmm.
when there is danger to life and liberty, you cannot
Mm-hmm.
act in a way you like.
Correct.
That was the first observation made.
Mm-hmm.
Second, it said the complaints require immediate action.
Okay.
And then it also told the state, see, you have a duty.
Correct.
What duty? Not only to protect law and order, but
Mm-hmm.
also to inspire confidence
Mm-hmm.
in the people.
Okay.
So these were the observations made by the state.
Okay.
And then it took certain actions as well.
Mm-hmm.
It gave directions. As of now, what it has done, it has given directions to National Human Rights Commission,
Mm-hmm.
saying you have to look into the matter immediately,
Mm-hmm.
constitute a committee, make a
Mm-hmm.
report, and submit within 14 days.
Okay.
That is one action what they have taken. They have
Mm-hmm.
also told that all the people
Mm-hmm.
who had remained silent, all the officers
Mm-hmm.
who remained silent,
Mm-hmm.
who maintained calculated silence over the violence,
Mm-hmm.
are to be pointed out.
Okay.
These were the directions given by the court, Ashwini. Ashwini, when I heard about this,
Mm-hmm.
the first question which came to my mind was, see, the National Human Rights Commission
Mm-hmm.
shouldn't really wait for the court's direction to do all this.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
And that was the question which came to my mind.
Mm-hmm.
I discussed this matter with my seniors as well,
Mm-hmm.
but what they say is,
Mm-hmm.
the situation is such that there's pandemic going on.
Mm-hmm.
Even if the National Human Rights Commission asks for certain information or data, the officers could give excuses
Correct.
or they could delay. So it
Mm-hmm.
takes time. It's not that they're not doing anything, but it takes time. But now, since the direction has come from the court,
Mm-hmm.
these people have got some amount of authority. Now, if they ask the officers for some information, they have to revert immediately. If not, it would become contempt of court.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the difference. I was
Okay.
wondering why is National Human Rights not doing anything?
Mm-hmm.
And when I discussed with my seniors, this is what I got to know.
Okay, okay, but there are the rumors that is like in communal violence, like those who said that Jai Shri Ram and Vande Mataram. What is your view on that communal violence?
Firstly, Ashwini, this is not a legal question.
Mm-hmm.
And secondly, let's not spread hatred.
Correct.
So let's not talk about it. I prefer not to answer this question.
Okay, all right. Could you brief about the Supreme Court cases?
Okay. Uh, Biswajit Sarkar and Swarnlata Adhikari. Biswajit Sarkar is Abhijit Sarkar's brother who was murdered.
Oh,
Abhijit
right, right,
Sarkar was
right,
murdered.
right, right.
And Swarnlata Adhikari is Kiran Adhikari's widow. Even he
Correct,
was murdered. So these
correct.
people, they jointly filed a petition
Mm-hmm.
saying, we do not trust the state. We do
Mm-hmm.
not trust the machinery of the state.
Hmm.
So kindly constitute a special investigating team,
Correct.
special investigation team,
Hmm.
so that it is not biased by state politics.
Mm-hmm.
And the investigations are carried on without any influence of the state. So
Correct.
this was the petition filed.
Okay.
And then there were a few people who moved impleading applications
Hmm.
to this petition.
What is impleading applications, Gitanjali?
Okay, there is a suit, ongoing suit.
Okay.
At some point of time, I get to know that I am one of the affected parties to
Mm-hmm.
the suit.
Mm-hmm.
What I can do,
Hmm.
instead of filing a separate petition, I can move an application saying I am one of the affected parties, so
Mm-hmm.
I wish to be a part of the petition.
Okay.
So this is impeding the application. In this case, there was unfortunately a 60-year-old woman
Mm-hmm.
alleging of sexual harassment
Oh,
before
okay.
her little grandchild. Such
Mm-hmm.
things are happening, and there is another 17-year-old girl who
Hmm.
says she's gang raped.
Oh, okay.
So these things are they have moved in pleading applications.
For
It
this.
is in the Supreme Court now.
Okay, fine. Like in other cases, like Katua case, like intellectual, were on the street with the candles for justice liberal and put up the black DP. So, what is nobody taking for West Bengal, Gitanjali? And why they are not talking? Nobody is talking for West Bengal.
What you say is 100% true, correct.
Hmm.
The media also is not doing enough justice to West Bengal,
Mm-hmm.
and even the people are not speaking up.
Mm-hmm.
But let's could we please talk only the legal aspects, Ashwini? It's a request.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, all right. Then, what is the cases in which Mamta Banerjee was asking for a different judge?
Ah, see, Mamta Banerjee, though the TMC won, Mamta Banerjee lost to Suvendu Adhikari in Nandigram.
Right.
And she challenged this.
Mm-hmm.
She challenged this on June 18th, I think. I'm not very sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay, then it was in Kolkata High Court,
Mm-hmm.
and the first hearing also was over.
Mm-hmm.
Now, after the first hearing, what these people did, see, this matter was being heard by Justice Kaushik Chanda.
Okay.
Okay, and he was representing BJP in the past.
Okay.
So now, what the chief minister said,
Hmm.
initially after the first hearing, what they did, they took pictures of Justice Chanda with BJP leaders, and they started circulating in social media.
Mm-hmm.
And then during the second hearing, they said, chief minister said, there is apprehension of likelihood of bias, so we want the judge to be changed. You
Okay.
have to recuse yourself. This
Okay.
is the request. This was done during the second hearing. This application
Okay.
was moved during the second hearing. Now, what Justice Chanda said, look at the complexity here. He said, see, you could have told me right away in the beginning when you were aware of the facts.
Very true. Very
It's
true.
not that you are not aware. Things were transparent. You could have
Correct.
told me in the beginning. What he says is also 100% true. Since you
Correct.
should have told me, there are some standards to be maintained. So you
Right.
could have told in the beginning.
Right.
And now you people have circulated in the media. Now, if I recuse myself, will it not be like yielding to social media pressure?
Correct. Correct. You're very correct.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So that was the question he put forth.
Mm-hmm.
And so he reserved his decision. He has not spoken anything yet. He said, I'll let you know.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here, what happens? See, we have read judgments.
Correct.
Client counsel relationship. I'm not saying this. There are judgments which say client counsel relationship is not a personal relationship, Ashwini.
Correct.
Okay. It's more professional. So there is no question of bias.
Correct.
This, okay. So there is only suspicion of bias, mere suspicion of bias, but no real likelihood of bias.
Correct.
This is what the judgments say. But even in the past, what has happened, keeping in mind the high professional standards, usually the judge recuses himself. In this case, we have to wait and watch what will happen. And there is one principle that justice should not only be done, but also seem to be done.
Correct. Correct.
Okay. So people present there should feel, yes, justice is done. Otherwise, people will lose their
Hope.
confidence in judicial system.
Correct.
So that should not happen, they say. So we'll wait and watch what happens.
Definitely will wait, Gitanjali. And when the situation are so bad, is it not possible to impose emergency, Gitanjali?
Very much possible. 2093 women lawyers from West Bengal have written to Chief Justice of India saying so and so things are happening, there is a lot of violence and this and that. And more than 144 bureaucrats and ex-judges have written to President of India saying law and order is not in control in West Bengal. They have written in their language. They know how to write, right? So they have written. Now, if the governor sends a report to the president saying law and order has totally collapsed in the state and you could impose emergency, then the president has the power to impose emergency. But
Okay.
here, Ashwini, see, this is possibility. What you're asking me is possibility. This
Correct.
has consequences and immediate result. Okay, I'll tell you what the immediate result could be, and I'll tell you what the consequences could be. If emergency is imposed, most likely, that Supreme Court might intervene, saying the basic structure of the constitution is being disturbed and you have to lift the emergency, or something like that could happen where the Supreme Court could interfere.
Correct.
So what would be the end result in that matter? In that case, what would be the end result? Emergency is imposed.
Emergency.
Within
Correct.
5 minutes, it is lifted.
Lift. Yes. Right.
Yes.
Right. Right.
But think of the consequences at the international level. What could happen at the UN, international politics? What will they say? They will only say India is killing democracy.
Correct. Correct.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes, we could even take that blame provided this is working out. So here, even the results are not as expected.
Correct.
Rather, the consequences are on the negative side.
Correct. Correct.
Correct?
Yes.
So it's left to them. Let's see and hope for the best.
Yes, Geetanjali, thank you so much for your wonderful view regarding what's happening in West Bengal, and hopefully all the viewers, they liked listening to you talking about West Bengal, Geetanjali, with other cases. And thanks for watching Lex Simplified, and do not forget to subscribe and like. Thank you, Geetanjali, for a wonderful discussion.
Thank you, Ashwini.
Thank you so much.